All right, so let's do a full tour of the new Lone Star Automotive and Diesel Bandera. Signs, new bay doors, new windows. Got to get the front door handle fixed. Parking lot's been blown off. When you enter, this is what you walk into. Shop area. Parts room, office. Work area, all cleaned out. New bay doors. Got one that they got to finish back there, but this is the work area. That's parts storage. So got little tools to put away on Monday, but we can do that while we're working. Break room. My office, which storage right now, but it'll all get done.